We started the year waiting for our first field trip. Then finally we got it, SeaWorld. The first chance to leave the classroom and learn about animals. As we arrived, I remember going and looking at the dolphins and thought the day was going to be full of playing with animals, but as the head speaker began to talk, I found out today was about more than just fish. We started off by talking about the kind of water needed for all the animals. It was all made in these large tanks and filtered with sand and rocks to refresh the water when it was dirty. It is always being filtered because it is such a large tank. They asked us if we were doing a tank, and we told them we were doing a couple freshwater and one saltwater. We were so proud because we made our own water. Then they walked us through their filtration system for the dolphin tank. It had so many filters, it was very confusing. After that, we got released into small groups and got to go around touching the different animals they had. They had stingrays and sharks and other little fish. But we could only touch the bamboo sharks because he was smaller and not that aggressive. Then we moved into a room where they raised fish. They also grew algae, and then they fed those to cocoa pods, and then the cocoa pods got fed to the newborn fish. Then we went into the aquariums. And they were so large and filled with so many cool fish. The one that interested me the most was the potbelly seahorse. It was called that because it had a large stomach that helped its buoyancy and stability. We also got to go behind the scenes of the tanks and got to look at the large filtration and heating systems that the tanks needed. I thought it was very interesting that one of the tanks would overflow the water and then have it cycled back through a system of pipes. This field trip showed me how complex the ocean is and how technology is making it easier to accommodate these parks.